Hello guys, how are you? I hope so. Now we are going to talk about Toyota may replace GM as biggest automaker in US. But before I have to ask you to subscribe and leave your like, let's go to the video. The automotive sales race within the US is heating up, and there is an opportunity that General Motors won't be the country's full-year sales leader when the calendar turns over to January 2022. It might be the primary time in 90 years for the overall to not have the crown, and Toyota might become the new king. As of the third quarter of 2021, Toyota Motor North America moved 1,857,884 vehicles for the year thus far. As compared, GM delivered 1,777,483 within the same period. While 80,401 cars isn't a huge lead, it gives Toyota a foothold going into the ultimate months of the year. As you would possibly expect if you follow the auto industry even en passant, the microchip shortage is the main culprit for GM falling behind Toyota in deliveries. Demand for brand spanking new cars is as high as ever, but the availability constraints are limiting production. In fact, both companies are up year over year. Toyota's volume is 27.9% higher, and GM's number is 0.1% better. Still, an automotive report puts GM sales in perspective by noting that the corporate is on target for one among its lowest sales years since the 1950s. Toyota's changes after the 2011 earthquake and tsunami in Japan might even have helped the automaker weather the present chip shortage. What we learned from the earthquake is we would have liked to hold more inventory of slow-moving parts, and chips were one among the commodities we identified early, Executive Vice Chairman of Sales at Toyota Motor North America Bob Carter told Automotive News. It'll be a stimulating race to the finish, especially since Toyota will have the primary units of the new Tundra on the market before the top of the year. With decades of experience, not count GM out of this fight just yet. So that's it guys, comment what you think of this article and don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.